What if I told you you could make Iron Man fixing a ceiling fan, Walter White selling chai, or you could make Elon Musk as 90s Bollywood dancer? And you could do all of this in under 60 seconds. No Photoshop, no designing skills. Welcome to the world of AI image generation. Today I am giving you the exact system that I use to create this. The same one designers charge thousands for a single image, and in the next 6 minutes you will learn how to generate any image just by typing. The 4-word formula that controls everything. The complete master prompt system that professionals use secretly, and which AI tool to use for what. First, let me show you how easy this actually is. Open ChatGPT or Gemini. You will see an option that says create image or generate image. Now just type what you want. Let me try this. A cozy bedroom with warm sunlight streaming through the window. And boom, there it is. Literally anyone could do this. Even your 10-year-old cousin could do this. But here's the thing. Random images are cool for 5 minutes. What if you want control? What if you want to do something specific? So let me show you the formula that changed everything for me. If you are just starting out, remember this simple formula. Subject, style, details, mode. Let me break it down for you. Subject. What's the main thing? Be specific. Style. How should it look? Photorealistic portrait, digital illustration, studio photography, cinematic poster. Details is the magic layer. Lighting, background, colors, camera angle, clothing, textures. Mood is the feeling. Confident, mysterious, warm, professional, inspiring. Let's see a few examples here. A young woman in her 20s, photorealistic portrait, soft natural lighting in an aesthetic cave, warm and confident mood. Wireless earbuds, studio product photography, clean white background with soft shadows, premium and modern mode. Now, this basic formula works for most people. But what separates you from everyone else? The master prompt system. This is what professionals use. I am going to break down all 7 blocks. Fast but complete. You don't use 7 blocks every time. Pick what you need, but understand all of them. You will have more control than 99% of people. Block 1. Intent. Why does this image exist? What's the purpose of the image? Is it for Instagram post or product ad, thumbnail or LinkedIn photo? Who are target audience? You should specify age, gender and professional level. And primary emotion. Trust, excitement, luxury, authority. You have to pick one. Most people skip this. That's why their images feel random. Define intent and the AI understands context. Block 2. Subject lock. How to get consistency across multiple images. Lock down age, gender, skin tone, facial structure, hair, clothing and pose. This stops face drift. You can have same character every single time. This is essential for branding. Block 3. Visual language. Visual style. Is it a photography or illustration or anime or a sketch? Next one. Lighting. Soft studio or golden hour or rim light or dramatic shadows. The next one. Framing or camera. Is the photo taken in close-up or is it a wide shot, top-down or shallow depth of field? And finally, color palette. Does the photo has warm tones or muted pastels or high contrast or is it a monochrome? This gives you repeatability. No need for you to tell the artist names. Just describe the look you want. Block 4. Environment control. You have to tell in which environment is your image. Something like modern office or a busy Mumbai street or a mountain landscape or abstract background. And the second one, foreground elements. Something like coffee cup, flowers in soft focus or nothing. And the third one is background restrictions. Is it a plain background or blurred or minimal or something detailed? Background isn't just for decoration. It tells your story. And fifth block, detail intensity. You can have control over quality here. Level of detail. If you want your images in ultra detailed or clean minimal or something stylish. Material textures. Something like natural skin, soft fabric, brushed metal, matte plastic. And third one, realism level. If it should be a photorealistic or stylish realistic or illustrative. Product ad needs ultra detail. Instagram might need stylish softness. And you will have the control. Block 6. Negative control. Tell AI what to avoid. Avoid blurry or distorted face. Extra fingers or limbs. Over sharpening or plastic skin, unnatural proportions and cluttered composition. AI has common failures. By listing what not to do, you can get better results in first try. Believe me, professionals always use this. And here comes the final block, output format. You give the final specs of your prompt. The composition details such as leave space for text, center subject, rule of thirds, and you might use one of these aspect ratios in general. Alright, I have explained you all the 7 blocks. Now watch me use them and create a professional product ad in just 30 seconds. So let's create a professional brand design for iPhone 16 Pro. I have written a detailed prompt using few blocks. Basically, I have given the intent, subject lock, visual language, environment, detail intensity, native prompt and the output. And here we go. Looks crazy, right? You just learned it yourself how to create it using master prompt system. And the final part. Which AI tool should you actually use? Because they are not all the same. Every AI model has different strengths. And here's your cheat sheet. Leonardo. Best free tool for beginners. It has daily credits, which is versatile and great for social media. Google's Nano Banana can create realistic humans and consistent characters. Best for photorealistic faces that doesn't look AI generated. Ideogram, only tool that gets typography right. Midjourney, artistic and cinematic powerhouse. Stunning visuals with strong style and wow factor. DAL-E in ChatGPT, conversational creativity. Refined through chat, great for brainstorming and iterations. So stop asking which is best. Instead, ask what am I creating. For consistent brand characters, use Nano Banana. If you want a quote poster, use Ideogram. If you want to create jaw-dropping thumbnail, use Midjourney. If you want to brainstorm some ideas, use ChatGPT. And that's it. You just learn the basics anyone can start with. You now know more about AI image generation than 95% of people out there. As you got to know how to create images, it's up to your creativity what to create. So if you have no idea, you should definitely check out our previous video on why you should start image generation. Until then, go make something.